Are you feeling down? Want to track your moods? A mood tracker can actually help improve your mental health. Hi everybody, I'm Dan and welcome to episode 2 of our series where we teach you JavaScript by building awesome projects. Today we're going to be creating a personal mood tracker. Are you ready to dive in? Here's what we'll be building today, a sleek and personal mood tracker where you can log your daily moods. Ever wonder how your mood fluctuates over time? This app will tell you that. Plus, we'll store all your data locally so you can keep track of it even after closing the browser. Are you excited yet? You should be. Look how easy it is to log your mood and manage your logs. Just select your mood, click log mood, and boom, it's saved. Just like that. You can also delete all your logs if you want to, get a fresh start. You curious about how all this works? Let's break it down and build it together. All right, the first thing we're gonna do is set up our project. We'll start by creating a simple HTML structure. We have a simple HTML structure here. We got the select element to choose your mood, a button to log it, another button to delete all the logs, and below that we have a div to display our mood log. Now, let's move on to the CSS and get some styles in here. Let's add some styles to make our app look nice. We'll use CSS to style the body and the mood input and the mood log. Now our app not only functions well, but looks great. Next, let's move on to some JavaScript to add some interactivity. Let's start by getting references to our HTML elements in JavaScript. We'll use document.getElementById method to do this. Next, we'll add some event listeners to our buttons. An event listener is a way to run a function when an event happens. Here, we want something to happen when we click the buttons. Now, let's write out our log function. A function is a block of code designed to perform a specific task. This function will get the selected mood and add it to our mood log. Here, we're getting the selected mood and the current date. We're creating a string with that date and mood, then saving it using another function we'll write called saveMood. Finally, we call the display mood log to update the display log. Let's write out our saveMood and display mood log functions. We'll use local storage to save our mood data. The local storage is a way to store data in the browser, so even after you close the tab or close the browser and come back, the data is still there. In saveMood, we get the existing moods from the local storage, add the new entry, and then save it back. Display mood log retrieves the moods and displays them in our mood log div. Simple, right? Last, let's add the ability to delete all logs. This function will remove all the mood entries from the local storage and then update the display. We just need to remove the moods item from the local storage and then call display mood log to refresh the view. And just like that, we've built a personal mood tracker, but we're not done yet. Let's add a little feature to inspire some customization on your half. So with this change, each time we log a mood, we'll see the total number of moods logged. This is a small change, but it adds a bit more interactivity to the site and can inspire you to think to add new features of your own. I actually have a few suggestions for you. You can add graphs to display the mood trends over time. You can implement reminders and notifications, things like that, something small that you can figure out on your own. And to try and stay out of tutorial hell for your homework, I want you to try and build a daily habit tracker with visual progress indicators. It's just like this, but with habits and graphs. Use what you learned today about arrays, loops, event listeners, and local storage. And if you want, share your progress in the community Discord. The link will be in the description below. Thank you guys for joining me. In our next episode, we'll dive into another exciting project. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on future uploads. Until next time, keep coding. Peace.